Waterlogging that's being reported in the Delhi NCR region. If you're in Ghaziabad, in Noida, or anywhere in the national capital, including Delhi, you are going to be facing a lot of challenges early this morning in order to commute, because it is inundated in various parts of the NCR region. It's been raining and more showers are likely to continue. In fact, it's going to get heavier over the weekend, particularly on Independence Day. Let's just get you a sense of how bad it is this morning. We have Ishika joining us in order to, get, oh my God, Ishika, we can see how you are literally in knee-deep water. How bad is it? And take us to the challenges being faced by the commuters this morning.
Well, Divya, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, it has been heavily raining, across Delhi NCR region from late night itself. And today also, if we show you the picture first, you can see it is continuously raining. But the good thing here is, and I'll ask my camera person Mukesh, to put the camera back on me. And in fact, you can see that the place that I'm reporting from, we report from here, Divya, on every rain, because this is a very busy stretch. It is the ITO stretch. People who are commuting from Noida to Delhi and from Delhi to Noida for work, they generally face a lot of problems, a lot of inconvenience to go to their office, and this is a rush hour. Now, last time when I reported from here, I was literally, in the water, knee-deep water. But this time the situation has improved, and I think I can show you that by the length of my jeans that are still submerged in water. So certainly the situation here has improved. Now, why it has improved, I'd like to show you a visual that we are getting you from this point of time. The Delhi government has deployed pumps here, and the pump is continuously, taking out the waterlogging, from the stretch, so that the traffic chaos that we generally see on the stretch, that doesn't happen at this point of time. We'd like to show you the visuals also of the traffic. You can see the traffic as of now here is quite normal. But, if we talk about the PWD Minister Parvesh Verma, he has continuously said that the pumps are going to be deployed. Minto Bridge and ITO, he says, are in fact the short-term goals, and the government has been regularly working on that, and that is how we are seeing the improvement. But if we talk about the different areas like Dhola, Kua and various other, there is still waterlogging. I have a commuter with me. Sir, are you going to your office?
Yes, I'm going to my office in Panchsheel Park. I will take the metro straight here, and then I will change from Kalkajit, and then I will reach Panchsheel Park. As you have seen, it's heavily raining and the water drains are very full of, I'm very, sweating, things that are very heavy, so I feel like it should be.
Last time you saw, it was completely waterlogged, traffic, chaos. You think this time the situation here has become a bit better?
Yeah, it is. The government should do something about the raining season. It's they should have some preparation before it's rain starts, and the drainage tomorrow is Independence Day, right? So government should do something. The people are coming to, we are independent now, but the things are roads. You see, this is Delhi capital.
Any plans you think for the Independence Day is going to be wrecked by this rain and this waterlogging?
Yeah, the people are preparing tomorrow for Independence Day. So the lighting area, people are prepared very tomorrow for Independence Day. I do have some plans. We are also celebrating Independence today in our office. So I think that everything better, yeah.
So certainly, as you heard, the residents here say that even though there is a bit of improvement, the government needs to focus and prepare a better plan so that the people on the ground do not face the inconvenience, especially when it comes to the Independence Day plans. Over to you.